Good day everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Today is an update on what the gardens look like. You can see that it is still very nice and green. I have some projects ahead. I will be showing you some more. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I have a review after this wonderful shot in the garden. So have a great day and enjoy this video. I'm in the Coastal Gardens and I want to give you all a plant for the minute, and that is the Kalanchoe. And this is again a succulent. You all are familiar with it from the past videos, but today I want to talk about this beautiful succulent. I've got a couple of tips for you. One is in a zone 5 you can display these beautiful succulents outside in the patio under an umbrella. It works out great. 2, as a house plant, they're absolutely wonderful, but if you buy them at the garden center or if they are already in a container, you want to take that wrapping or container away so that the plant can breathe and drain properly. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful greenery. Here it is in September, and most of the time it is very dry and things are changing quickly. But not this year, not with all the rain and the overcast that we've had. We just got through with a terrible storm. The storm's name was Lee, and we actually did pretty good through this storm. It wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. We lost some trees in the area and some branches here in our garden, some really large branches, which I'll talk with you all later on. It is time for the autumn baking to begin. Today I have started off with a family favorite, and that is chocolate chip cookies. I will leave the recipe at our community tab, so you can go over there and check that out. In the meantime, review some of the recipes that I have done in some of the videos, previous videos. Those are all my recipes, and they are photographs of everything that I have done in my kitchen. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Don't forget to review all of the videos, even the short videos, because as time goes on, I'll be including more content, so this will keep you all up to date. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you folks again next time.